What if just $10 could change your entire future? One day, Stickman found a $10 bill. He had two choices: spend it now or invest it for the future. He chose to spend it. A burger, a soda, a video game, and just minutes later, the money was gone. Suddenly, time rewound. This time, Stickman made a different choice. He invested the $10 into an ETF and promised to keep investing every month. Then, disaster struck. The market crashed. Prices fell. Everyone panicked. But Stickman remembered one simple rule: don't sell because of fear. Months passed. The market slowly recovered. His investment grew from $10 to $100, then $1,000, then $10,000. While others worried, Stickman kept learning. He read books, built valuable skills, and continued investing every single month. Years later, his patience paid off. He achieved financial freedom, not because he got lucky, but because he made small, smart decisions consistently. Remember, don't just earn money. Learn, invest, stay patient, and let time work for you. Your future starts with one smart decision today.